Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I'm not sure what day this is posting, but if the weekend has already gone by, then I'm hoping you had a great weekend and you're having a great day. But I have a small little grove. You're a force of nature. This home loves the planet and they are very economically friendly. And they are the most sustainable company, I guess they're saying on here. I can't read the whole thing. I think it's the most sustainable home on the block. And I do try to do my part in helping with our ecosystems and using natural products and protecting ourselves. And it says, we're big Vicky fans, is what they say. So, and Vicky is my given name, and Miss Jackie Russell is my nickname. Given to me by a dear friend over 15 years now, I think. A long time people have been calling me Miss Jackie Russell because of my Jack Russells. And they knew that I bred Jack Russell, so that's how I got my nickname. In case any of you have ever wondered, and it's been a while, or you've never seen any of those videos that I talk about it, but my lawyer friend, John Frazier, which he's no longer with us, he's gone on to heaven, but he loved Jack Russells, and we were in the Rotary Club together, and he just got to saying, well, there's Miss Jackie Russell. So it kind of caught on. And then when I had my Instagram channel put together so I could communicate with Laura while they lived in California and see pictures of the kids and everything, I used Miss Jackie Russell. And then when I started my YouTube, because I wanted to see videos of the kids, and this has been 15 years ago, and I'm about, as far as an annual birthday with YouTube, I think it is this month, and it's about 15 years ago. But anyway, it was Miss Jackie Russell. And so when I started doing videos like this about 4 years ago, then I just kept my name as Miss Jackie Russell, because I have Miss Jackie Russell on a lot of things, even a website. So I've kind of gone with that. But anyway, we have some coupons here. This here is for some mascara through Thrive, and I know some of you like them, and you can get 10% off. And there is the code at Thrive Cosmetics. We have free meals from HelloFresh, and you can use that code as well if that's something you're interested in. I can tell you my daughter Laura gets that, and she loves their meals. They're really good. And then we have something called Quench Mongolian Cashmere starting at $50. So if that's something that you're interested in, well, then there's the information. And I guess there's you can scan that code maybe and go right on over to quince.com. I don't know anything about it. It's just promotion in my box. Now, Grove is a subscription box that you choose what you want each month, or bi-monthly, however often you want to get it. I mostly get cleansing products like detergent for the laundry and just various things for the house, household cleaners and stuff. But this box is full of some different things because they have vitamins, they have makeup, they have clean makeup, they have, good pure vitamins, or wholesome, I don't know how you say it. They have sustainable products. But in this box, I have different products to show you guys, and I can't wait to show you. And I wanted to open it up so I could start using some of them. But I wanted to let you know, it used to be $19.99 to be a VIP. Well, it's going up. It's $29.99, and you get your free shipping. And if you buy at least 6 times out of the year, that's going to more than pay for your shipping. So, which is fine. You're going to pay for shipping either way. But in addition to that, you get like 7 free gifts during the year, including your birthday. And they have other bonus surprises that just show up. For example, last month they did a collaboration with this company, and it's with the Nature Conservancy. So they gave everyone a free bottle if you just clicked on it. So I did, and I got a free bottle. And so you get gifts, additional gifts that just seem to pop up all over the place. And you can get free samples they have a place on their site. You just type in free samples and you can get those. I will say, when you go to your cart, you want to make sure you're getting what you want. When they tell you your shipment's about to go, make sure it's things that you need and you want. And if you don't want, you can take them out. If you need to add some in, you can put them back in. The first thing that I'm going to show y'all is Ollie. Now, we have been getting Ollie samples in some of our other boxes. And I have gotten some Ollie samples even from Grove, but I've also seen this in the Balanced Discovery box. So I decided to try their probiotics, and this is an immune and digestive health 1 billion live cultures. There's 50 gummies, and this was about $12.99. Okay, it's a much bigger jar than I expected, and it is sealed, but I'm going to go ahead and take it off because I want to try these out. And I'll show you what they look like. Now, you can also get these at Amazon and other places. I'm sure you can even get them at ollie.com. But what we're going to be doing here is their natural tasting tangy tropical with a burst of mango. Take on the daily no food or water necessary, so you don't have to have food with them. And I'm trying to find how many you take. Suggested use: take 2 gummies daily. Chew thoroughly before swallowing. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to get me 2 out of here, and I'm going to try them out right now. So let's see how they taste. Lots of mango flavor. And probiotics are good for your digestive system. And this is the ingredients. They're nice and soft. 15 calories, 4 grams of carbohydrates, and 3 grams of sugar. And it's 66 milligrams of probiotic, Bacillus coagulars, MTCC. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. But anyway, I got those. So I'm looking forward to trying them out. And like I said, if you don't want to go through Grove, you can buy this through Amazon. And I may switch over to that. And then the next thing I have is I also got another Ollie. And this is the Extra Strength Sleep Boost for Ultimate Sleep, Melatonin, L-theanine, and Botanicals. Now, I just got some sleeping pills or whatever. It's not sleeping pills. I just got some other sleeping gummies from my Balanced Discovery box. So I am not going to open this right now. But I'm sure these are going to be flavored grape. Is what it looks like. Yes, naturally tasting, blissful. Oh, it's blackberry flavor with refreshing notes of mint. Oh, that ought to be good. And then the suggested use is to take 2 gummies 30 minutes before bed. So I'll have to remember that when I take this. And it says more is more. Sometimes you just need a little something extra. There's a bonus boost of melatonin to help you find the sweet slumber. And so it has 5 milligrams of the melatonin. I will tell you most have 3 milligrams, just FYI. So that is a little bit more. And the ingredients to help you fall asleep and stay asleep: the L-theanine is an amino acid that encourages calmness so that you can hush those voices in your head and drift off to sleep. And I do have that happen sometimes. I'll just be thinking. So it helps cut off all that thinking. And the botanical extracts are flower power, camille, passion flower, lemon balm, and they've been used for centuries to soothe and relax, and that's true. So those are 2 things that I got that's totally new. I've never bought these from Grove, so that's something else I'm trying out. Another thing that I am trying out is the Burt's Bee Micellar Coconut and Lotus. I think these were around $3.99 or $4.99. I'll try to remember to put prices across there. But this is coconut and lotus facial wipes. 3-in-1, removes makeup, cleanses, hydrates, all skin types. I just want to see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. I thought I would like that lotus scent, and I know I like coconut, so that's perfect for me. Okay, I got that. And I have one more item in here, and like I told y'all, this was a small order. The next thing that I got and was baking soda. You know, y'all need to look up baking soda. It does so much. You use it in cooking, of course, but you can use it for so many health things. You can even brush your teeth with baking soda. You can, of course, make your cookies that they show there, which makes them tasty. But you can also use it to neutralize your body. And what I mean by that is your body, your stomach acids and all that's usually acidy or acidic. So if you take a half a teaspoon and 8 ounces of water in the morning and a half a teaspoon and 8 ounces in the evening, that will keep your stomach or your gut alkaline. When your gut is alkaline, it's healthier for you, and it's very hard for other type of microorganisms to grow and to multiply. And so it keeps down, I think, maybe some radicals, free radicals and things that you don't want to be turning into anything else. But this was $1.99. I do remember that. And you can get this cheaper in the store, I don't know, but I got it because I needed to add $2 to get my free shipping. You do have to ship, I think, $30 worth in order to get your free shipping that you paid for, but it's not hard to do because, as you can see, I just ordered 5 items and I'm up to $35 or 30. It's 30. Used to be 29. Now I think it's 30. But you know, it's because of shipping and price of goods and inflation. But I do like the convenience, and I will say this is the smallest box I've ever gotten from Grove. So I forgot to ask y'all in the very beginning, but do you Grove? Have you Groved through their vitamins and their cosmetics section? Have you Grove through the food pantry section? They may have other things that you can use in your home. Do you have a favorite of these? Would you like using the extra sleep, extra strength, or the probiotics for your gut? All of that's good for you. And what about this? Would this be a favorite? I know it's a short little haul, but let me know if you did have a favorite. But that's all I have for Grove today, and I don't know if the Dollar Tree train is still out, but it will run till September 22nd. Be sure and check it out. We have 14 ladies, 14 channels. They've all done a great job with their shopping for the fall festival, and you can find my link down in the description of this video. And if there are any specials going on with Grove, sometimes they offer 30% off your first order if you're new. So I'll have any links down in my description. But as for today in Grove, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.